The 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan arrives with bold updates, setting a new standard for compact SUVs. With a fresh design, modern technology, and impressive performance upgrades, Volkswagen positions the new Tiguan to appeal to families, commuters, and adventure seekers alike. It's not just an evolution, it's a full refresh aimed at making Tiguan a leader in its class. Exterior design. The 2025 Tiguan features a sharper, more athletic design, with a wider front grille, slimmer LED headlights, and a more aerodynamic profile. Strong character lines run along the sides, giving it a sporty and muscular look. New alloy wheel options and updated taillights complete a more dynamic and upscale exterior, while higher trims offer an optional illuminated VW logo for a futuristic touch. Interior. Inside, the Tiguan is all about comfort and tech. A larger touchscreen, up to 15 inches in higher trims, a fully digital instrument cluster, and minimalistic dash design create a clean and modern feel. Premium materials like soft-touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and available leather seats make the cabin more luxurious. There's also more rear legroom and expanded cargo space, making it even more practical for daily life. Performance. The 2025 Tiguan offers a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine producing around 260 horsepower, paired with an efficient mild hybrid system. Smooth 8-speed automatic transmission and optional 4-motion all-wheel drive ensure confident handling in all conditions. Whether in city traffic or on rough trails, the Tiguan delivers a comfortable and responsive ride with improved fuel economy over previous models. Safety features. Volkswagen has packed the 2025 Tiguan with its latest IQ. Drive Suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a new hands-free highway driving assist system on higher trims. A 360-degree camera, parking assist, and a rear cross-traffic alert provide extra peace of mind. Market position. With the 2025 Tiguan, Volkswagen is clearly targeting the sweet spot between affordable family SUVs like the Honda CR-V and more premium options like the Audi Q3. It offers German engineering, upscale design, and a strong tech package at a competitive price point. Especially with its hybrid touches and modern design, the Tiguan stands out in the crowded compact SUV market. Outro. Overall, the 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan is not just an update, it's a statement. Stylish, tech-savvy, and engineered for real life, it's ready to win over drivers who want more than just another SUV. If you're shopping for a smart, versatile, and fun-to-drive crossover, the new Tiguan should be high on your list.